Hello students, we will start our second chapter of geometry, that is parallel lines. Now, parallel line is a very important chapter of your syllabus. Concepts which are going to learn in this chapter are used in other chapter also, including your 10th standard geometry. So whatever concepts are going to learn, remember for next 2 years. So why this chapter is important? Because every sum there is a parallel line and angle. So do not mug up the concepts, boost your logical thinking. So let's start the chapter parallel lines. I draw here two lines, line L and line M. So what is the parallel lines? Lines which never intersect in each other are called parallel lines. See here, line L and line M. These are the never intersect each other. Now, in some there is some concept related to parallel lines. What is the first one? That is transversal. A line which intersect two or more lines is called transversal of the given lines. See in this, these are the two lines and N is a transversal of these two lines. N is intersect these two lines. So, line N is a transversal and line L and M which are intersect that parallel lines. When these two lines and these lines are intersect, that time there are certain types of angle are formed. Which angle that form? There are the three types of angle form. First one is alternate angle, second corresponding angle, and third one is a interior angle. Now we identify the angle. I write here A, B, C, D. So angle A, B, C, D. Then here E, F, G and H. So these are the angles. Now first we see the alternate angle. An alternate angle is in this shape, Z, or this shape or this shape. See here, these are the alternate angle. So this C and E means this angle and this angle are alternate angle. So I write here first pair, that is the angle C and angle E. These are the first pair. Now second pair. See the second pair here. This shape. Another this shape. So this type of shape. So angle this B and angle here H. So this angle and this angle. So I write here angle B and angle H. So these are the two pairs of alternate angle. Now see the next one, that is the corresponding angle. Corresponding angle in this shape, F, this type of F, or in this type of F, this type. And this type, these are the types. See the first one, F. Now here I write, see here, this one and this one. So this angle and this angle. In this here, this one, this. Here also same. And here this and this angle. So see the first pair. Here B and F. So right here first pair, that is the angle B and angle F. Now second one. See here second angle. There is this F. So this one and this one. This type of angle. So angle H and angle D. So right here angle H and angle D. Now next one, that is the angle A also and E, means this F, this type of F here. So this and this angle E and A. So I write here third one, that is the angle E and angle A. And fourth one, last here, this also C and G. So I write here angle C and angle G. So these all four types of corresponding angle. Now third one, that is the interior angle. Interior angle is a C-shape angle. This angle and this, here this and this. See in this diagram, here angle B and angle E. So this type of an angle here C and H. So I write here first one, that is angle B and angle E, and second pair C and H. Angle C and angle H. So these are the pair of interior angle. So these three types of angle. Now why this is important to remember this all three types of angle? So this angle related or the three theorems related in this angle. So what is the theorem? That is first one. First theorem that is given your textbook page number 15. What is the first theorem? The transversal intersect two parallel lines. Alternate angles are congruent. These alternate angles are congruent. So this is the sign of congruent. Alternate angles are congruent. When two parallel lines and one line intersect, that time alternate angles are parallel. What is the second theorem? That is the transversal intersect two parallel lines. Then corresponding angle are also congruent. So this is also congruent. This is the second theorem. And next one, that is the when transversal intersect two parallel lines, interior angle are supplementary. Means addition of these two angle are 180 degree. So these theorems related in these three types of angles. Now, when we identify pair, then we can easily prove this property. So remember these all three types of angles and their properties. Now we start most important part of your chapter, that is theorems. Now we already learned three types of angle, that is alternate angle, corresponding angle and interior angle. Now there are three theorems related to these three types of angle. So let's come to our first theorem. So our first theorem is a interior angle theorem. See in your textbook page number 15, theorem given. What is the statement? That is, if two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the interior angle on their side of the transversal are supplementary. Now this statement we convert into if and then when we understand easily. So what is the if part and what is? Page number 15. How to identify the given part and proof part of the statement? That is, if part is a given. So this part is a given part and then part is to be a proof part. So I convert this statement into if. Here the if part is a two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then interior angle are supplementary. So this is our given and this is our proof part. Now first I draw a diagram and then we start. Here the two lines, line L and line M. So here line M and here line L. These are the two parallel lines and this is line the L. That line L is intersect these two parallel lines. Now what are the given here? That what is the given? Line M parallel line L and N is a transversal. So right here line M parallel line L and N is a transversal. Okay, these are the given part. Now what is to be a proof part? To prove that is the, what is the interior angle, which shape? See the interior angle. Here I draw again these two lines and this is the intersect these two lines. Now this shape of line, this is the Z shape, this is the alternate angle. Okay, and corresponding angle, this F shape. This and this the corresponding angle. And this type of angle means this and this C type. That is the interior angle. Okay, we already learned this in a. Now, what is the importance of this theorem? Using this theorem, we have to prove other other two theorems. So first we see this diagram. I write here angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. So these are the four angles. Now what is the interior angle? That is the C shape, means A and B. So interior angle theorem, first we write here, that is angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. That interior. Now to prove the interior angle, which are the interior angle? That is the C shape. C shape means A and B. So write here angle A plus here write angle B. That is the supplementary. So we write here interior angle are supplementary. Angle are supplementary. Here we write. supplementary. Okay, so this is our first statement, a plus b is equal to 180 degree. Now what is the another interior angle pair? That is the d plus c. So angle d plus angle c is equal to 180 degree. These are the two pairs. Now, so what is the importance of this theorem? That this theorem using we have to prove other two theorems. That is the two types of other angles. That is the alternate angle and corresponding angle. Now you do not have to prove regarding interior angle theorem because this is the indirect proof is given in your textbook. So do not ask in a exam. Using this theorem we will prove other two theorems, that is alternate and corresponding theorem. Let's start the next theorem, alternate angle theorem. Statement say in your textbook page number 16. What is the statement? The alternate angle formed by a transversal of two parallel lines are of equal measures. Now we learned earlier, that is how to convert statement into if and then condition. Why? Because if your statement is in a condition form, you will easily identify which part is given and which part is to be proved. So we convert this into a conditional form. So first here I write here if part, that is two parallel. This is a sign of parallel. Two parallel lines are intersected by transversal. And this is the then part. Then alternate angles are of equal measures. So equal measures is the end of the statement. So this is the prove part. And two parallel lines are intersected by transversal is our given part. So we have already know that is what is the given part and what is to be proved. So first I draw here diagram. Here the line L and line M. These are the two parallel lines and this line is a intersect that two lines. So I write here angle D, here C and here angle B. So these are the angles. Now students, theorem is always write in a statement and a reason form. So in our geometry, there is a statement, no statement, then no validity of your that statement. So we do not write the corresponding reasons, then no validity of our statement. So we write first statement and then reason. But first we write the given part. So what is the given? That is the two parallel lines are intersect by transversal. Which are the two parallel lines? Line L and line M. So right here line L parallel line M and N is a transversal. Okay, these are the given part. And what to be proved? So right here prove part, alternate angles are of equal measure. So which are the alternate angle? Which are the shape of an alternate angle? We already learned, that is the Z shape. Okay. So these and these are the alternate angle. So I write here angle D equal to angle B because this is this shape, Z shape. Okay. So this to be a proof. Now first we write the statement and reason form. So I write here statement and here reason. Okay. So I write here statement, that is the first statement, that is line L and line M are parallel lines. These are to be given. So write here first line L parallel line M. I write here given. So this is the reason. Now second statement, the interior angle theorem we use, that is which are the interior angles? That is the C shape. C and angle C and angle B. That are the supplement. So we write here angle C plus angle B is equal to 180. Supplement means addition of these two angles is a 180. So this is the interior. We already learned in our theorem, interior angle theorem. So write here interior angle theorem. Okay, this is our second statement. Now our third statement, that is the D and C, our linear pair. So these are the linear pair. This addition of these two 180. So our third statement, angle D plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So right here is a linear pair angle. So linear pair angle. Okay, this is our second statement, this is our third statement. See in these two statements, here this part is a RHS part is a 180 180. So this LHS part also equal. So write our fourth statement, that is angle C plus angle B is equal to angle D plus angle C. So from here write the reason from 2 and 3. Okay. So here here angle C become a cancel. So our fifth statement is a angle B is equal to angle D. Here angle D is equal to angle B. Same. But I write again, here angle D is equal to angle B. So this can be proved. So this is our alternate angle theorem. Similarly, we can prove the corresponding angle theorem. See in your textbook page number 16, what is the statement given? The corresponding angle formed by a transversal of two parallel lines are of equal measure. Now, first this statement we convert into condition form, that is if and then form. So what is the if part? Two parallel, this is the sign of parallel. Parallel lines are intersected by transversal and given corresponding angles are of equal measures. So first I write a given part and then to prove. First here see the draw a diagram. Here line L and line M. These are the two parallel lines and line N are intersect these two lines. I write here angles. Here angle A, angle C and angle B. So first write the given parts. What is the given? Line L and we are two parallel lines, means which parallel lines? L and M. So line L parallel line M. So right here line L parallel line M and N is a transversal. Okay, these are our given part. Now what do we prove? Prove part is a corresponding angles are of equal measures. So which are the corresponding angles? In this diagram, there is this type of shape, F. These and these are the corresponding angle. See in this diagram, here, this angle and this angle are corresponding angles. Means angle A equal to angle B. So, what to be proved? Angle A equal to angle B. This is the proof part. Now, we divide the two parts, that is the statement part and reason part. So, proof here, that is the statement, and here we write a reason. Okay, so what is our first statement? That is the which lines are parallel? Line L parallel line M. So right here line L parallel line M. This is the given already in our statement. So what is our second statement? That is the interior angle theorem. See which are the interior angle? This C shape, C and B. These are the interior and these angle are a supplement. So addition of these two angles become a 180. So right here angle C plus angle A is equal to 180 degree. So right here reason. See our second statement, that is the interior angle. Which are the interior angle? Angle C and angle B. So angle C and I write here angle B. So addition of these become a 180. Right here reason, interior angle theorem. Okay. So this is our second statement. Now what is our third statement? Which are the linear pair in this diagram? Here see here. These are the linear pair, angle A and C. So addition of these become a 180. So right here third statement, that is angle C plus angle A is equal to 180 degree. Right reason, linear pair angle. Okay. So this is our second statement. This is our third statement. See in this two statement, here 180, 180. RHS part of these two statements become a same or equal. So LHS part also equal. So write here fourth part, that is this LHS part and this LHS part is equal. So angle C plus angle B is equal to angle C plus angle A. From right here reason from 2 and 3. So angle C cancel. So what we form? That is fifth statement, angle B is equal to angle A. But here angle A equal to B. So write again, here angle A equal to angle B. This is to be a proof. See, this is homework given to you. Identify pair of alternate angle, corresponding angles and interior angles. This is the first diagram, second one and third one. So all of you identify these three types of angles and note down in your notebook.